Hello, boys and girls. So fantastic job yesterday on your spelling test. Ms. Vitali had it completed yesterday rather than today so that you can get a little bit ahead on some other activities that need to be completed this week. But everybody did a fantastic job. You're going to see your corrected spelling test in your folder. So you can check on the words that you wrote incorrectly, correctly, whatever it may be, but everything has been corrected for you in this folder. That being said, today you're going to get started on some Thanksgiving activities because the upcoming weekend is Thanksgiving. It's going to be obviously a very different year this year, but nonetheless, you should still be thankful. So, the first activity that you guys are going to complete is called Thanksgiving Traditions. You just have to fill out each box explaining something that you do with your family. So I spend Thanksgiving with, you can write some names, my favorite thing about Thanksgiving, before dinner, what do you do, after dinner, what do you do, and what tradition that your family may have. If you want, you can even color the turkey, the border, after you complete this activity. The following one is a Thanksgiving grocery list. So what you just simply have to do in this in this worksheet is to place these words in alphabetical order. The third worksheet, which I'll click over here and I'll zoom a little bit, okay, is you're going to have to complete the punctuation for each of the words. Again, these are Thanksgiving sentences, and it tells you, it gives you kind of hints what words the sentences begin with, what kind of punctuation would be at the end, a question mark, an exclamation mark, or a period. So this worksheet and this worksheet both have to do with punctuation and also have to do with Thanksgiving. Finally, you have a I am thankful for poem that you're going to write. And this is called an acrostic poem. And an acrostic poem, you'll have the main word you're talking about on the left-hand side. So do you see the word thankful? T-H-A-N-K-F-U-L on the side right here. And every single line has to start with the letter that's next to the line. So this line has to have a word with a T, this line an H, an A, an N, a K, an F, an U, and an L. And the poem has to be about something that you're thankful for. So that's the topic. So I want you to write me a poem about something you're thankful for. And again, don't forget that each line has to have the letter to begin with. It could be a one word on that line. It could be a few words, whatever you feel most comfortable with. It doesn't have to rhyme. It's just to talk about something that you're thankful for. Okay? Following that, you have the Helping Others activity. I'm sure some of you guys already started this. So, complete this as you go. Your spelling tests are there so that you can check if they're corrected. Then after that, you can work on your IXL B.1, B.2 if you haven't already completed it, and your word work worksheets as well. So I basically added on into this folder all of the Thanksgiving activities. You get to work on this today, and then you'll also get time tomorrow to complete these activities. Color, have fun, take the time to really think about what you want to write, and I'll review everything as soon as I can. And I hope you enjoy the activities. If you finish everything in this folder, then you get to go on to Raz Kids. All right, so have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.